All right, I am leaving Days Inn in Erick, Oklahoma, and I am gonna find my way to Route 66. Looks like I got a big semi here to wait for. Hey there! So nice. Truck drivers have been so nice to me on this trip. It's really, really fun. All right, let's see if I can't cross here. And gonna find my way back to Route 66. It is, I think, what people here would call breezy. To me, it feels very windy. And I am hopeful. Yesterday, the winds came out of the southwest. It was kind of behind my right shoulder. And today, the road is turning just a little bit to the northeast. And so I think this may work in my favor. So, all right, Myrtle. We're going to find our way to Elk City and a little beyond today. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Historic Broadway, Elk City, Oklahoma. A prosperous town. I think it's an oil town. On the red brick road of Elk City. Downtown Elk City. Yeah, nice little town here. Oh yeah, look at this. Parker Drilling Company rig. Yeah, big oil country here. Ha! Found a bike path out of Elk. All right, you guys, so I have made it to my destination for the day, a little town called Foss on Route 66. KOA campground. Yesterday was the first day of spring, and today the temperatures are probably close to 70 degrees. And although the wind is very, very strong, I'm going to talk to these people about getting a tent site. All right, it was a bit of a challenge, but I got my tent up. Oh my gosh, the winds have just been howling today. I waited for the winds to calm down a little bit, and they have. They're still pretty strong. You can see my trike flags. Luckily today, the wind was behind my right shoulder, so not really a tailwind, but I didn't have to ride into it either. So this is the first time I'm using this tent on tour. Kind of excited about it. And one nice feature about this tent is a Big Agnes copper spur, like high volume, I don't know. It's got like all these names to it. But the vestibules, there's one on each side, and they open up. I kind of have a little bit of an issue with claustrophobia when I'm in tents. And so one of the reasons why I picked this tent was these doors open up. Because it's so windy, I've only got it open a little bit. You can see I have one end attached to a trike wheel, and the other one here attached to the hitch bar on my trailer. This campground feels very, very safe. There's hardly anybody here. And so I'm not really thinking about my safety, although I'm sure if anybody tried to mess with it, I would certainly feel it because the whole tent would move. But yeah, it's kind of exciting. First time camping on this tour. Hopefully I'll get a good night's rest here in Oklahoma.